Hi guys, it's Gary here. So in my last video I was talking about the EHX Silencer, more specifically I was unboxing that pedal. Now one of the questions asked during the video was whether the pedal came with a battery fitted or not, because I had no idea. Obviously it comes with the standard power supply socket, but the easiest way to check whether your pedal comes with a battery supplied or whether it can operate on battery power is by, bear with me for the clinking on this one, but opening the pedal up. Now, very simple to get into the silencer, simply 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, around the body, and then the metal, proper metal back casing just comes off. So there we go. And then you get a look inside this lovely looking bit of kit. How about that for a tidy bit of circuit board and circuitry? Beautiful, really, really nice. More importantly, I think you can see quite clearly there is a battery fitted. Now you'll note that, well, there's a battery fitted. Try and switch it off and on. You don't get anything, and the reason for that is the battery is not fully connected up. So at least I've answered that question. So if you're wondering, does the EHX Silencer, electro-harmonic silencer, noise gate and effects loop come with a compartment whereby you can fit a battery? The answer is yes, it does. Electro-harmonics battery, branded battery right there. So I'm going to use the battery for the first playthrough through my Ibanez RG8 8-string guitar, which will be the video that I'll be doing next in relation to this video. So it'll be part of a little series. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this one. As always, like, comment, subscribe for more in relation to the silencer and a couple of other pedals that are also either I'm going to buy after Christmas or got for Christmas, which I'll be telling you about later on. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.